Hey everybody, this is Joe Jurek. Welcome back to Joe Jurek's Real Estate Investing Adventures. How are you doing this afternoon? Hopefully you're having a great day, great week, great month. Well, in any event, I'm in Jacksonville, Florida. Where the heck is Jacksonville, Florida? Roughly about 2 hours north of Orlando. The beautiful thing about Jacksonville, it's a pretty large city spread across 3 counties geographically. You're near the ocean as well. And pretty much it's a city that's that I think has a lot of opportunity for real estate investing. I'm currently working with some real estate investors here. Some are looking to do buy, fix, and flip. Some are looking at doing rental properties, and others are looking at doing wholesaling. So no matter what you're looking at doing, I think there's opportunity here. I think there's affordability here. The Florida market right now is red hot. I read an article the other day that said Orlando rents have increased, I think the most of almost any city in the country over the last, I believe, year. So, you know, the market's red hot here in Jacksonville. We are 2 hours roughly north of Orlando, but sometimes people want to get as close to the action as they can. So here's the tip for you and what you're looking at doing in real estate investing. Think about your local area and what might work best there. Rental property, buy, fix, or flip, or wholesaling, and maybe focus on that strategy and see what you can do in your market and see how quickly your market is moving, how hot it is. So until the next time, this is Joe Jurek saying go make it a great day. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.